air hammer to carve, drill, and chip stone, metal, and other hard materials? If so, you should get this toolkit from M7. When you attach this tool to your air compressor and fire it up, you know you'll get the job done. The pneumatic air hammer features a .401 Parker shank, round shank. It also comes with a flat chisel, cutting chisel, tapered punch, ripping chisel, and a tailpipe cutter. The kit also includes a spring retainer and plastic tool case. Its alloyed steel cylinder and piston extend the tool's useful life. JB Tools has the best price on this air hammer toolkit. We're proud to be the exclusive North American dealer of M7 air tools. Shop JB and save.